Are you looking for the best automotive multimeter? I have compiled a list of top 5 best automotive multimeter this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Klein Tools Digital Multimeter. Klein Tools offers an inexpensive, robust multimeter with tons of features and a big display that deserves a place in your automotive or home repair toolbox. And there's some reasonably advanced features too. This device measures things like temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and test diodes and continuity. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it's got enough features for nearly every sort of need you'll encounter during car repairs. While Klein Tools is a respected brand, this unit is not without its downsides, including a hold feature that's not as useful as competitors and a temperature reading that's not always accurate. Still, this will get nearly every job done, and it won't break your bank in the process. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Multimeter. Etekcity offers a basic and extremely affordable multimeter that greatly undercuts the competition but packs a solid array of features to make it great for everyday use. This 9V battery-powered, which is included here, unit measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, but not AC current, resistance, continuity, and more. It emits an audible beep when you connect the 2 leads to indicate a complete path. It also has a backlit LCD screen for reading in the dark. Number 3. Fluke 87V Digital Multimeter. On the opposite end of the spectrum from our previous choice, we have Fluke's 87V Digital Multimeter, an extremely powerful and premium choice for electrical professionals. This is one of the most feature-packed multimeters on the market. It measures up to 1000 volts for AC and DC, includes a built-in thermometer, can read for frequency, resistance, and conductance, and packs a wide assortment of other advanced features. Designed to be accurate and responsive, it also boasts an industrial-strength casing to protect it from drops. Know that one downside, besides the cost, is the stiff leads that don't feel as premium as the rest of the unit. But it's a solid, accurate, feature-packed choice for anyone who wants to do serious work. Number 4. Sii Digital Multimeter. Sii's all-digital multimeter gets major points for readability. With a 4.7-inch digital screen, you'll never have to worry about what you're looking at again. It measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, and more, so it doesn't skimp on features with that big screen. It also has some more advanced features, like a flashlight and a design that allows for one-hand operation. Finally, it can detect voltage by proximity. Just hold it next to an electrical socket or terminal, and the light and an alarm will flash. No contacts needed. Number 5. KAIWEETS Digital Clamp Meter. Clamp multimeters combine the typical multimeter functions with clamps that measure high levels of electrical current. They're especially useful for industrial equipment like HVAC systems, but with a set of leads, sold separately in this case, it can work great for automotive uses. KAIWEETS Digital Clamp Meter is a solid, affordable option that runs on 2 AAA batteries and measures AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, and diode and temperature tests. It also automatically powers off after 15 minutes of non-use. This is a good choice for someone looking for versatility.